Okay, I've gotten several questions lately about how to add wires, connect wires, all that good stuff. So sometimes you may get a connection where the wires are too short to run back to the alarm box. You could use wire nuts. I do not recommend those. You could use the WIGO connectors. They're okay, but a better way is to solder the connections together. The middle piece just melts and then creates a heat shrink around the connection. So that's a much better way. Or if you're better with a soldering gun, that's good as well. But cover up the connections with heat shrink tape. And then as far as wire, I've seen some installations lately with the same color wire that just, for me, kind of defeats the purpose when you have to troubleshoot. So, you can pick this stuff up at Amazon or Harbor Freight or somewhere like that, but get some decent wire that is color coded so it makes life a little bit easier in the future. And hopefully this answers some questions for y'all.